In this tutorial, you'll learn how to move from 2D drafting into 3D modeling in Autocad, setting up your workspace and tools for a smooth transition. If you're familiar with using Autocad for 2D drafting and are ready to explore the world of 3D modeling, this tutorial will guide you through the transition smoothly. Let's get started. To begin our journey from 2D to 3D, we'll first need to set up the right tools for the job. On the bottom bar of AutoCAD's interface, you'll notice a gear icon. This is your key to accessing and customizing your workspace. Click on this gear icon, which will open up several options for you. In this context, we have two choices: 3D Basics or 3D Modeling. If you are new to 3D, starting with 3D Basics can make the learning curve gentler. However, if you're ready for a full suite of 3D tools, go ahead and select 3D Modeling. By doing this, you optimize your workspace, giving you access to all the necessary tools you'll need to craft your 3D designs. Now that we've chosen our tools, let's talk about adjusting the view. Viewing your design from different angles is crucial when working in 3D. To adjust your view, locate the Coordinate View box at the top right of your screen. This tool allows you to interactively rotate your view for better perspective on your models. Simply select a corner in this box to customize your viewpoint. Alternatively, if you're looking for some predefined perspectives, click on the top left where it says Top. From here, you can select one of the isometric views available. These views provide a great balance between the axes, making it easier to visualize your design in 3D space. The last step we need to take involves changing the display style of our model. By default, AutoCAD might show your objects in 2D wireframe, which can appear a bit confusing for three-dimensional objects. To get a clearer view, you'll want to switch your current visual style from 2D wireframe to shaded. This option provides a more realistic representation of your 3D objects by adding surfaces and shadows, making it much easier to work on and understand your model. And there you have it, all set to dive into the world of 3D modeling in AutoCAD. With these settings now configured, you're ready to start your 3D projects. Remember, transitioning from